Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create text with dashed outlines. Let us first create some text. We use the type tool. You can also press T for it, which is the short key. Let me rotate it, so I double click on it, and I hold Control when I do. I'll make it bigger holding Control and Shift. Let me get rid of the stroke, so hold Shift and click on the X, and I only have a black fill. Under text, text and font, you can change the font. Just apply it down here and also change the style. And we also need the object, fill and stroke, which is this menu, and under stroke style you can change the width of the stroke. Let me give it a stroke and I'll keep the fill for now. So the red is now the stroke, and I'll make it around 5 millimeters. And now let me get rid of the fill, so the stroke is the only thing that we've got, and I'll make that black. So hold Shift and click on black color swatch, and under the drop down dashes you can pick these defaults. You can make it dotted or dashed, or even use a combination of it, and there's also a pattern offset. So watch the top left corner. If we set it to 5, it moves. So let me click on the plus sign and hold it, and you can see it goes on the outside counterclockwise, and if I go down, it goes on the outside clockwise. So this is what this parameter is for. And you can now change the style of font again, and this dashed outline will be added to the new font automatically. You can also change the color, for example with the color wheel on the stroke paint, or once again use the basic color swatches below. So hold Shift and click on them. And this is how you can create text with a dashed outline in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.